Hi big kids, Miss Patton here. Today we are talking about the letter M. So we have our letter M card here. And our letter cards can help us remember our letter sounds. So here we have the letter M, and it makes the sound like in man. So over here I have a poem for us to read about the letter M, or it has lots of sounding words in it. So as I'm reading, I want you to be listening and looking for the letter M, or the sound. All right, so here we go. Movies, museums, and merry-go-round. Music that makes the most wonderful sound. Maples in the meadows and mountains so high. Macaroni and mangoes you might want to try. Messages and mail from friends far and near. Mornings in May when the sky is so clear. How many marvelous things can you name? Join in and play the initial M game. So initial M is when M is at the beginning of the words, or the words start with the sound. Did you hear any words in the poem that have the sound, like man? There were a lot of different words in our poem that have the sound, like movies, museum, merry-go-round. Lots of them in there, big kids. So I would love for you to come up with a word, or a word that starts with the M sound. You could show me on Flipgrid. The next activity I have here for us, I have some different picture sorting for us, and we're going to decide what side the pictures go on. So let's go ahead and go through the picture names. First one we have is a moon. You say it. Moon. Next one we have is a tooth. What is it? Tooth. Thanks for saying the words with me. Next one we have is a monkey. What is it? Monkey. Our next one, something you can wear on your face, it's called a mask. What's it called? A mask. The next one we have here is a sun. You say it. Sun. Next one we have here is a mango. You say it. Mango. The next one is a magnet. And then we have a tent. Your turn. Tent. And the last one is a muffin. Muffin. All right, big kids. So we're going to say the picture name again, and then we're going to decide, does it go on the sound, or it does not have the sound. So our first one here is a moon. What's the first sound in moon? So I'm going to put it on the side. All right, our next picture here is a tooth. What's the first sound in tooth? T, t. So should I leave it on this side? No. T, t. That's the T sound. How about monkey? What's the first sound in monkey? So I'm going to put it on our side. The next one here something you can wear in your face called a mask. What's the first sound in mask? I'm going to put it on our side. Okay, let's go over here. We have a sun. What's the first sound in sun? So would I put that on the side? No, it's going to go on the not side. That has a s or an S. Next one, something juicy and delicious to eat. It's called a mango. What's the first sound in mango? What should I do with it? That's right, I'm going to move it to the other side. All right, we'll keep going. I see we have 1, 2, 3 left. This next one is a picture of a magnet. What's the first sound in magnet? I'm going to move it over to the side. Our next one here is a tent. What's the first sound in tent? T, t. So should I move that to the side? No, it's going to stay on the not That's a t, t, tent. In fact, tent and tooth have the same beginning sound, but it is not All right, big kids, in our last picture here, it's a muffin. What's the first sound in muffin? So I'm going to go ahead and move that over. All right, big kids, thanks for listening and trying your best, practicing your sounds. I love to see your work on Flipgrid. Thanks for working hard with your family at home. Have a great day. Aloha.